Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, we are going to see the multiple vacancies notification from the DRDO 2021. And here the opportunities are there for the diploma, UG, PG and the UGCNET qualified candidates. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UGCNET Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGCNET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Coming to the present content of the video, the first notification that we are going to see here. So advertisement for application for apprenticeship training, and this notification you can obtain from the official website of the DRDO. Okay, you can check down that application for apprenticeship training at IRDE Dehradun. The last date is 29th January 2021. And coming to the details regarding this notification, you can check down here the stream for this one. Here the 7,000 is provided. Okay, and here the qualification is ITA passed in the relevant trade, and the duration of the training is 1 year. And here the trade or discipline is mechanist and the turner, fitter and the electronics mechanic and the COPA. The number of vacancies are distributed as per the caste category here. You may check down. And the next one is diploma technician apprentice. Okay, 8,000. That is here the requirement is diploma in relevant trade and 1 year. And the departments are mechanical, electronics and computer science. And coming to the technician vocational training, 7,000 rupees. Here the qualification is 10+2 and the diploma or degree in nursing and 1 year. And the next one is BTech graduate apprentice, 9,000. So the degree in BTech or BE or AMIE in the relevant stream. Okay, the total number of 69 vacancies are there among all these departments. And here the few instructions are given here. The age of the apprenticeship should not be less than 14 as on the closing date. And the selected candidates are entitled for stipend as per the provisions of Apprentices Act 1961. And there is no provision for appointment of the apprenticeship trainee in DRDO or in this laboratory after the completion of training, and a candidate cannot claim for the same. And the applicants should not have undergo similar training elsewhere. Only those applicants can apply who have completed the qualifying examination in 2018 or later. And after registration at the above stated portals, candidates are required to send the scanned copies of their duly stipend application along with the relevant documents or certificates, that is 10th certificate, qualification certificates and the mark sheet, caste certificate, birth certificate, etc. valid as on the closing date of application in single PDF through email to the cao@irde.drdo.in. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So you may check down, guys. And coming to the second notification. So applications for the JRF 2021. Here the JRF number of vacancies as per the departmental wise mentioned here. First class master degree in the pharmaceutical sciences, okay, M.Pharm, and the first class MSc in chemistry or environmental sciences with net qualification, and first class MSc in biotechnology or microbiology with net qualification. The stipend is going to obtain 31,000 rupees per month, and here the age limit is 28. So here the essential informations are given here. The tenure of JRF is initially 2 years, which is extendable as per the government rules, and award of fellowship does not confer any right to absorption or employment in the DRDO. And how to apply is that interested candidates must submit biodata, elaborating the personal data, contact details, and brief on education and the professional qualifications, etc., along with the self-attested copies of the certificates and testimonials in PDF format, latest by 14th Feb 2021 at email ID is given here. No application will be entertained after the closing date. And the selection will be based upon the direct interview only. The date and the time of interview will be mentioned to the candidates through email. And interview may be conducted online or offline as per the provisions available at that time. And all the selected candidates are to produce the necessary testimonials and documents in original at the time of joining. So it is the one notification. And coming to the third notification is that it is Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, and you may check down the Senior Research Fellowship. One post is there, and the essential qualification required here is that first class in MTech or ME or MSc in the environmental science with 2 years of post-master's research experience in the relevant area field. And the second one is minimum one paper publication in SCI journal having valid lecturership, net or GATE score. And the desired qualification also given here. Preference will be given to the PhD candidates in the environmental science or chemistry. And the stipend is 35,000 rupees plus HRA also will be provided as per the funding agencies. And the upper age limit is 32, and the tenure of the SRF will be up to completion of the project, and the nature of the work is given. And applications from appended in this advertisement may be typed and submitted along with copies of testimonials, or can be downloaded from the What's New column from the official website, and the email address for sending the application is also given here. And the last date is 14th Feb 2021. And this regarding this one also they mentioned in the official website here in the careers of DRDO. So you may check down, guys, application for the research fellowship and application for the SRF. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I'm going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.